Hey, good morning. Welcome to
KidMath154.
KidMath number 154. I wasn't super prepared for this movie to start. Grab that eraser. So we're in the absolute value section, and we spent a little bit of time yesterday and today talking about solving absolute value equations, which are actually pretty fun to solve. Do they remind you of any kind of other equations that we've solved?
Like linear equations.
A little bit like linear equations. What is similar to linear equations about them?
Well, they don't have another power.
Okay. A lot of times, for the ones we've been looking at, that's definitely true. We've only looked at, but you could apply absolute values to anything. What makes them a little bit different than linear equations, by the way,
Well,
that we've seen so far?
some of them have extra stuff. Some of them have extra things.
Some of them have extra solutions. So anyway, let's why don't you talk through how you would solve this equation? The absolute value of x plus 6 plus 5 equals 10.
Well, I'd say the absolute value of x plus 6 equals 5. Just bring the 5 to the other side.
Okay.
And this means x plus 6 equals 5, or x plus 6 equals minus 5.
Okay, why is that true?
Because when we unabsolute value something, this can equal the positive thing, or the positive one, or the negative one.
Okay, so if x plus 6 equals 5, the absolute value doesn't even matter at all.
Yeah.
And if x plus 6 equals minus 5, the absolute value turns that minus 5 into 5.
So we just move the 6 to the other side. We get x equals minus 1, and x equals minus 11.
Okay.
Now let's check minus 1.
Alright.
So we get 5 plus 5 equals 10. That works.
Where did this 5 come from?
It's minus 1 plus 6.
Absolute value. Okay, good. Plus 5 equals 10. Good. Alright, what about minus 11?
We get minus 11 plus 6, which is the absolute value of negative 5, which is 5. So it's the same thing.
5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, good. And it's very important to check these answers, as it always is. But in some of the other examples we were doing today, it turned out when we checked the answers, they weren't solutions.
Yeah.
Okay, which is a little surprising. We're starting to see situations. We saw one with that square root equation where we were squaring both sides and it turned up equations or solutions that weren't solutions.
Yeah.
Same thing with these absolute values. When we unabsolute value, sometimes we get solutions that are very important to go back and check. All right. Good job, sweetie pie. Good job this morning.